everyone. This is the okra I saved for seed. I'm fixing to open and see how it made some seeds. Let's see what we got here. Oh wow, there's some good seeds in here, it looks like. Well, it does. I don't know about being able to do this so easily and not to lose my seeds everywhere. Well, I will come back and show you what the rest of these look like. I decided to get a little bowl here and see if this would work. So I hope it's working. And this is a lot of seed from just one okra. I'd have got more okra seed saved, but Ellie Mae really likes to eat my stuff. That looks like all the seeds. That's a pretty good little bunch. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. Comment below.